I have been attending diversity workshops at ADEA since I began in dental education back in the late 1990s. I understand just how important it is to connect with the community, the ability to meet colleagues, gain tools and strategies to navigate this work that we do. This is difficult work, and in the times we're living in, they're very perilous times. So the ability to come together with colleagues across the nation and the world who are fighting, our champions of DEI, empowers me to a place that I can go back to those areas that are the trenches and I can actually make progress. And so I come here to get refueled every year that I can. I expected to connect with colleagues. I expected to learn some new tools and strategies to navigate these difficult times. I expected to gain some actual information that I can take right back and put in action right away to meet presenters, speakers, colleagues, facilitators who can come and help my community, my dental school grow. I also expected to come and have a little bit of a respite, a little break from the everyday, just a chance to think and be creative and innovative around these topics. And so already I have achieved those goals, and so I'm so thankful for what it provides. If you're considering coming to the diversity workshop and you're wondering, should I come? Is it important? Is it going to really give me tools that can be helpful? Stop thinking about it, just come. Get engaged with this community. If you're wondering about the challenges that are facing DEI, come here. You need to be here every year. By being in this place for the DEI workshop, you get a chance to really grow. And so don't doubt it, just come and join the community.